Looks pretty packed up, so I'm not even going to worry about it. Oh, what a beautiful road though. Look at it, it's just summertime, baby. It's no, it's not, that's wrong. It's 4:20 in the evening and it's sunny. I'm in one layer still, well, t-shirt and a jacket obviously, but no jumpers, no thermal trousers, just a pair of Kevlar jeans and just chilling, feeling great, like just lovely. Sisland, bit Norfolk, innit? Let's go to Sisland, where all our sisters hang out. It's a real Norfolk thing, but like if you finger your sister, there's a good chance you'll find your dad's wedding ring. They always seem to be losing them there. No, actually no, this road at all, and I can't see a thing. I thought that was a road, that was a fucking field. Ooh! Looks fun. Whee! Just the way I'm feeling. You turn it down sometimes, don't turn it all the way off. Corner, don't know the corner coming out. Oh, that's far sharper than I thought. Whee! Love! America! Oh my love! Turn left, hold out to the last minute, tuck in and speed up. Well, don't tuck in and speed up, tuck in, then speed up as you're coming out. I don't know where we are now, the tide's getting built up, so just be more. Oh, tucked in a bit early there, which is why I'm in the gutter. Oh. Nothing in the radio, things worse than me. Look, I'm coming into the shed. Just because you never know, cars on roads like that, cars on the way up the arms me. I feel like I may be near to where I need to be. I feel like it's down here. Maybe here? This where we are? I can't find me, is there? Is that where I need to go? No, not here. I feel like I need to be somewhere around here. Don't want to speed too much. No, not here. Okay, let's keep going. I know where I am now. Oh, bump me. Ah, that was awful. Awful cornering, Jake. But I'm still alive, and that's what matters. That was a good one. The line was a bit risky, but it was like I calculated the risk and we just see for it. Don't know, it's cool. Speed, take it. Oh, is this? No, this isn't deceiving, but this is it. Oh, I'm early. Fucking peacock! Look at that pointer. Sorry, Josh, what? Look at this fucker.
Status, 25%.
When did Josh invest in the pet pig? Look at you. Hello. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, she could just stay there. It would have been the best shot.